To make a logo or profile pic for your YouTube channel using Canva, first open Canva, go to Projects, and Create Design. Click on YouTube channel logo. Canva will give you some templates to start from. Here are some good examples. They're simple and easy to see. One thing to keep in mind is that YouTube profile pics are super tiny on the platform, so you need a simple logo that can be seen when it's scaled down. Do not use a ton of words or super small details in your profile pic because no one will be able to see them. Okay, on to my design. In my last video, I made a simple YouTube banner to start my channel with. I want my profile pic and banner to stick to the same branding, so they match, so they work together. So I'm going to be using elements from the banner, and I'm going to bring them into this design. I'm going to go with this simple logo, but you can play around with all sorts of different options as long as it can be seen when it's scaled down. When you are happy with your design, save it as a JPEG or PNG. Once you save your image, open YouTube Studio and go to your Customization tab. Upload your design to YouTube, and now you have a profile pic for your new YouTube channel.